Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I know there's a lot of shadows going on and the sound may be a little off because I'm trying different places. Yeah, it's still crazy around here right now, but I wanted to do a really quick video for you guys. One thing I want to show you is two new kits that are hopefully will be uploaded into my Etsy by the time this video is published. So I don't even have a name for this kit yet. Hopefully I'll have that by the time this video is published. But let me just go through and show it to you really quick. So there are 7 pages like this where I have taken the vintage, like antique invoices. Some of it's invoices, some of it is music notes, that kind of stuff. And I have taken those and made a collage with them. And then I layered on top of them with these beautiful flowers. Let me just pull out the actual sheets that I have collaged on top of. Okay, so this is a lighter version of what is underneath here. And so I figured you can use these for backing paper or as just an additional part to your journal. And so there's 7 pages like this. And then there are 7 backing pages. And so I went ahead and backed all of these. So there's this page. And then we have this one with the vintage music. And then this one is just a variety of different things. And this is some script. And this is some blank ledgers. And this is another variety page, as well as this one. And let me show you the backing pages. So there's this one, it's almost like a coffee dye. Some of them are a little more grunged than others. So you'll have... So there's 7 of the invoicey type papers. There's 7 backing papers. And then there's 7 of the ones that have the flowers on them. As well as a couple of pages of ephemera. So this one's like a really pretty coffee dye. A vintage ledger. And then another coffee dye. And then another grunge. So those are the 7 different backing pages along with the 7 invoice type pages. And so let's just go through what these are. So as you can see, it's the roses, and I tried to get it to where you can still write on it. You can put it in your journal like this, and I have used the backing pages to back mine. So, and I love these. These are just so beautiful to me. Because, of course, you guys know that I love the roses to begin with. But with all of that vintage invoices and stuff, look at that. The music sheets and the yellow roses. And it's backed on the back of that ledger. This is the script. And so the invoices and the script and music and all that's behind the roses, I left it very dark so that it would be just like a really bold contrast. That's what I really wanted. And there's that backing paper. And so we have this one. Just absolutely stunning. And we will make something with this. It will probably be tomorrow, I imagine. And then there's the last one of those. Then I also done some of the tags that have just like the elements that I use to make that the floral background. So these are some tags, and I have used like the invoices and that kind of stuff. And then I used the floral elements to make that. And then I did print a backing paper on that. And then there is this one where I kind of done the same thing that I did to the actual pages. And so I kind of grunged out right in the center of the tag. So it makes it really easy for you to be able to write on. And again, I did do a backing paper. And oh my God, guys, look at that envelope. Oh my God, I love it. And so I've done it to where when you fold it, this will be upright and this will be upright. And then this tag, I put one of the elements, the rose elements in there. I made a little corner pocket there. This is another little envelope, and if you look, when you fold, so it's going to be the correct orientation there, the correct orientation there, and then you'll be able to fold it over. And so I've done that, and I included some elements on it. Oh, I forgot to show you that I did back that. And I did back that as well. So this is one full kit. And I hope to have it listed by the time this video is posted. Now, the other thing that I have been working on are these little faux wax seals. And so this kit, there's 5 different colors. It's going to be, each color will have the same seals in it. So far, like on this one, what I've got done, this one is mainly like roses and trees. And so this is the red pink kit. And so you can just cut these out and use these as wax seals on your projects. So I have done it in the red, pink, and then this one is like a green, a light green, dark green. And this one could be, I don't know, you could consider it browns or golds. And then I've done it in the blue. And I've done it in the purple. And so this is a full kit. You will get all 5 colors. So it is the same, each page is the same wax seals. They're just in different colors. And I have a lot more that's going to be coming out. It's just trying to find time to work on them all and get them done with everything I have going on. And so I figured what I would do, because I really don't have a lot of time tonight, but I did want to do a couple of things with you guys. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make these super cute little floral embellishments to go in your journals, or even on your journals, on the covers, to go on any of your little ephemera that you make. So we all have, like, it's scraps galore. So what I've done, and I figured, you know, this would be a good mask make. So I'm just going to tear, I mean, and you could cut, you know, your circles out, because I know I can't really tear a good circle. So I'm just like tearing a circle. And I'm going to tear a few of them just so that I can kind of gauge my size, because I want to have 3 different size circles. You know, I want small, medium, and large, but you can do as many as you want. You don't have to be held down to just 3 or anything like that. You can do several and just use the same basic principle. And so let me just tear this. And again, you can do this exact same thing by using your punches. But we are doing this tonight because I'm not sure where all of my stuff is. Okay, so those are different size enough for me. I'm going to go with it. And I'm going to get one of my little bitty brads. Now, there are a couple of different things that you can do. You do not have to wet it. I did dampen this one because I wanted it to really hold its shape after it dries. You do not have to do that. You could spray it with like the Tim Holtz Distress spray, or, you know, some of the sprays like that. You could spray it with like some of that glitter glue type stuff, anything. So I just brought over my little mini mister, and I am just going to give it a little spray, and then I'm just going to kind of crinkle it up. And that's all I'm doing, is just crinkling it, you know, making it look really grungy, crinkly. And if it doesn't feel like it has crinkled enough for you, you can always add more water. So much you can do. So I'm just going to do the same thing to this one. I think I just sprayed my little whatever this is. This is something I found that my daughter had left here, this little desk thing, because I don't have my stuff out here yet like that. And the little desk I filmed on last night just was not cutting it. So, okay, so we've got that. And then let's see what we can do with this one. And so this is something that would be good, you know, if you want to use circles that you've punched out, you know, while you're sitting down watching TV or something like that, you could just get your scraps and cut a bunch of circles out. And then you can just do a bunch of like mass make with these. These would be very easy to do a mass make. And so now that I've got that, I'm just going to simply layer these on just like that. And because it is wet, you know, I do not have any problem getting my little brad to go through there. And then I'm just going to open my brad up, just like that. And there you have your little grungy flower. So, you know, this is something that you can do very quickly, very easily. Just when you find yourself just sitting down watching TV or something, even if you don't have the punches, just tear out circles out of, you know, those scraps that you have, you know, and make you a piles or a few piles. And, you know, kind of, they don't have to be all the exact same size in each pile, but maybe have like a small, medium, and large pile. Something that you can pull from, so that whenever you sit down and you want to start working on some ephemera, you can just, you know, grab a few out of each pile and get to work with them. And so there you go. See, like that's about the same size. So that's all you really need to do. Let's just do some stuff like that. And let's see, let's do one more on camera before I have to go. Let's see, what other colors do I have here? I have got, oh, look at that one. Let's see. And you can ink around the edges. Like if you use like the Distress Oxide and ink around it and then spray it or something. Oh, that would be really cute. Or if you decide that you want to ink around it, you don't have to spray it. I mean, you don't have to spray it at all, but I'm just spraying that one, getting it wet. Then I'm just going to crinkle it up. And let's just go ahead and spray these and crinkle them. And there we go. And one more. And these are these are really fun to do. Very fun. Okay. Reminds me of the spitballs we used to do when I was in school. Yeah, that's about what it reminds me of. And I'm saying it quietly so that hopefully my boys don't hear me. Because they'll be like, Ma, you done spitballs? You get on to us when we do it. So that's why I was trying to say it very quietly so that my boys didn't hear me talk about doing spitballs. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Just going to put it like that. Let me grab another little brad. And again, same thing. You don't even have to use brads. You can use glue. This would be a perfect thing to use your hot glue gun with, or something like that. You could use foam, the little foam tape, to stick these down to each other. And so if you done that, then it would give it like a little bit of a lift. I cannot see. I think I'm tearing it because I cannot see where I'm trying to punch that thing in at. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to do it just like this. And I'm going to have to pull this up to my eyes, guys. I'm sorry. But I just cannot see. It's awful being half blind. And I still can't see. It's because my glasses are on top of my head instead of on my eyes. Okay. So there we go. So we've got that one done. So, I mean, you see, other than the fact that I couldn't see, you see how quick and easy those are. Very simple to do a mask make with these. Very, very easy to do. Great project. Just, you know, when you're sitting down, just tear you some circles. Like I said, you don't even have to wet them, or you could even tear your circles and just go ahead and wad them up and then just throw them into like a little jar and just have them setting on your desk of all these little wadded up things. You know, make people wonder what you're doing. And then when you have a chance or you have time, you can just unwad them and go ahead and make your little flowers. So there we go. Those are the little flowers. And then again, don't forget, I will hopefully have these posted in my Etsy by the time this video publishes. And if so, I will go ahead and include the links to both of these kits. And like I said, stay tuned because there are several more of the wax seal kits that I am working on, but it's just taken me, you know, a little bit of time, especially, you know, in 2 different places right now. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I apologize if the sound wasn't good or the lighting wasn't good and I can see the shadows, but give me some time and we will get it all figured out and get it worked out, and it'll be wonderful and amazing. But I shall see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.